Yeah, you online?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start with new chapter, linear inequation. Did you get your marks?
Yes, I didn't go to the meeting, so I need. I'll see the app and I'll tell you later, sir.
Fine, Adya. When will it get updated?
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look, even this is a easy chapter, linear inequation. Did you watch day before yesterday's recording, which is then?
So you already watched it with not one.
Oh, yeah, Adya. Revision was done.
So you completed the entire chapter, sir.
Which one?
Which another chapter you completed this week, sir?
No, this week only revision. I completed probability Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday revision.
But today you started for
Yeah, linear inequation.
sir.
Yes. Today we started linear inequation. Okay, linear inequation is similar to linear equation. The linear equation, whatever rules we follow, it's a similar way we solve. The meaning of linear is single variable. How many variables do we have? We'll have single variable. That can be x, y, anything, x, a, b, c, d, x, y, anything. We use a single variable and single degree. Inequation. Inequation meaning which is not equal to. The meaning of inequation is not equal to. If it is not equal to, that is left hand side is not equal to right hand side. The meaning of not equal to is it can be lesser. Left hand side can be lesser than or lesser than equal to. It can be greater or greater than equal to. Okay, we'll compare with simple linear equation. X plus 4 is equals to 7. How do you solve this?
So 4 goes on the other side with x is equal to 3, sir.
X is equals to 3. Whenever equal to is given, equal to simple, we call linear equation. Till 8th you study linear equation. Till 9. Now, linear inequation is x plus 4 lesser than 7. We'll get equation like this. Or x plus 4 greater than 7. But when you solve, it's the same. Look at x lesser than simple as it is 7 plus 4 goes to the other side minus 4. What's the answer? X is less than 3. And this side, how do you solve this one? X greater than 7 minus 4. X is greater than 3. When you solve, it is similar to simple linear equation, except there are two rules for this. For division and multiplication, we follow two rules. This is linear inequation. If it's not equal, it should be less than equal to, greater than or equal to. Look next. For addition and subtraction, there is no special rule. Okay, only for multiplication division, that is 5x plus 3, 5x is equals to 10. 5x is greater than 10. How do you solve this equation? I need to find x. How do you find x, Sadia?
So x is less than equal to
Not less. This is not less. Look, this symbol stands for less.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, greater.
X is greater than
1 minute, look here. Can you see this L symbol? 1 minute, 1 minute. L symbol.
Yes, sir.
So that stands for less. This is greater. X is greater than 10 divided by 5. X is greater than 2. Okay, and what is the relation between 5 and x? What sign is there between 5 and x? Addition.
Greater sign, sir.
No. Between 5 and x.
Multiplication, sir.
Multiplication. So for multiplication of positive number, did we change the inequality sign or it remains the same?
It makes the
It remains the same. Now the same multiple, if I take negative numbers, minus 5x is greater than 10, x, then which number you have to bring down? Minus 5 is negative or positive? You have to bring down minus 5 earlier. Negative. So when you're bringing down negative, this is only for multiplication and division. When you're bringing down negative, this greater symbol will become lesser. So what's the answer? X is lesser than minus 2. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, multiplication. Even for division, it's the same. If it is negative, the signs get changed. And one more thing, greater than, look here, greater than equal to is also the same. If it is greater than equal to symbol, it will be the same. Okay, for negative number, greater than equal to, it will become, what will greater than equal to symbol will become? Less than equal.
Less than equal to, sir.
Yes, it will get changed. That's it. Only these two things you have to remember. This was for multiplication. For multiplication, and the other one is for division. X divided by 5 is lesser than 10. X minus x by 5 is greater than 15. Okay, look at this next question. What's the relation between x and 5 here? Which mathematical operation is used? X and 5 are there. X is divided, right? Division. So what happens if it goes to the other side? It gets multiplied.
Multiplied, sir.
And what is this number 5? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So the sign will not change. It will remain as
The
it
sign
is.
will remain the same.
Yes, less than. X is less than 50. But here, look here. Minus x is given, Adya. We don't need minus x. We need to find positive x. So whenever there is minus before x, shift it to the denominator. So it becomes x divided by minus 5. Both are same, right? If I write minus 3 by 2 or 3 by minus 2, are they same or different? Yes, Adya, minus 3 by 2 or?
Your voice is breaking, sir.
No, minus 3 by 2 or 3 by minus 2, are they same or different?
They're the same, sir.
They're the same. See, the denominator sign, you can write negative sign. If it's in the denominator, you can write it in the numerator. They both are same. So what we'll do here is, in order to find the positive x, we'll transfer this minus from numerator, we'll shift it to the denominator. Now, what happens to this minus 5? If it goes to the other side, it gets multiplied, right?
Multiplied, sir.
Division minus 5. Now, which number did we multiply? Positive or negative?
Negative, sir.
So what happens to? Yes, the greater than symbol will become lesser than. So x is lesser than minus 75. Okay, so these are the two things where the sign will change because of positive and negative value. Is this clear? Calculation part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is main. And for addition and subtraction, there is nothing to do, Adya. The sign doesn't change. For example, x plus 5 is greater than 10. What is x and 5? What sign is there between x and 5? Plus. If it shifts other side, it becomes minus. So what's the answer? X is greater than 5. The sign will not change.
Greater than 5.
Yeah, or x minus 5 is greater than 10. Now look here, minus 5. If it shifts that side, again the value will not, the sign will not change. X is greater than 10 plus 5. Is the sign changing?
Yes,
No, there's for addition subtraction, no problem, it doesn't change. Only for division multiplication of which one? Positive or negative number?
Negative number.
Negative, very good. Positive, it will remain the same. Only for negative, it will change. So these are the two important rules. Next, we have types of numbers. Types of numbers. N stands for what type of number?
Natural number. Whole number.
Yes. Z. N stands for natural number.
Negative or positive.
Natural number. W stands for whole. Okay. What about natural numbers? What are the values?
From 1, sir.
1. And natural number is positive or negative? Whole number, natural number, both are positive numbers, and it will start from 1, 2, 3,
Positive.
it goes on. Whole number also starts from, it is positive, but it will start from
0, sir.
0.
0.
Yeah, I or Z. What's the meaning of I or Z?
Negative or positive.
Integer, correct. Integer, it will have negative number, 0 and
And
positive. 0 is neutral, neither negative nor positive, neutral. So the values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. It goes on left hand side and right hand side. R stands for real number. R stands for real number. Real number is nothing but all the numbers, natural number, whole number, integer, even number, odd number, all those are known as real numbers. Okay, rational, irrational, everything comes under real number. So R stands for real number. And these notations you have to remember. Next is number line. Before number line, okay, replacement set.
Sir, can you repeat what's a real number, sir?
Real number. See, there are two types, real number. What's the opposite of real?
Imaginary.
Correct, imaginary. Real is something which happens, which exists. Unreal or imaginary, which we assume imaginary. So all the numbers are real numbers. Everything which comes, all the numbers, whatever we studied, odd number is real. Even if I write square root of 4, is this a real number in daily life? We use this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, square root of 4 is 2. We use it. It's a rational number. Or if I take pi, do we use this pi in real life? For circle chapter, we use this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pi is irrational number, but it comes under real number. Even number, odd number, prime, composite, natural numbers, whole numbers, all these are real numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Imaginary number is I. They'll take the word I, square root of I. Actually, this is a complicated topic. You don't have. For now, remember all the numbers are known as real numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Everything which exists, which we use, are known as real. Imaginary, we use usually they use it for research purpose, for proving questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for proving questions. So real numbers. R stand for real. Something which exists, number which exists is known as real. Next, replacement set, solution set. Replacement set is nothing but it is the parent set or the main set. You can call parent or the main set. For example, I'll write minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even in questions, they'll give you one set like this. They'll give you a main set That set we call it as replacement. Replacement set is the main set, and they'll give you an equation like x plus 5 is greater than 7. Solve this equation, Adya. Solve this. What do you get? X is greater than
7 minus 5, sir.
x is greater than 2. Okay, so equation, this is known as inequation, right? Inequation. Look at the symbol and tell me, is this equation or inequation?
Inequation.
Yeah, it is inequation. Linear. Only one alphabet is present, x present, right? Yeah, so linear inequation. This is known as linear inequation. In that we found the value of x. X is greater than 2. Then what we do, we compare this. You take x is greater than 2 and you compare with the replacement set or the parent main set. Tell me all the values which are greater than 2. What are the values which are greater than 2? Which is given in the replacements? The answer is 3 and 4. That is known as solution set. Replacement set is the entire value which they give. They'll give you a linear inequation. You have to solve it. You'll get the value of x. That you have to check. You have to check, compare with replacement set. Whatever answers are left, that you have to write it in the solution set. Understood these three?
Yes, sir.
Replacement, solution. Make a note of this. Solution set. And whatever is present in solution set, that will definitely be in replacement, because we are taking it from replacement set, right? It is also known as parent or main set. Or main set. This you call subset. Sub or child. This actually these terms are not required. You can just remember it as main set and subset. It is the main set. Solution set is the subset. 3 and 4. Okay, now they'll tell you to plot. The last topic is number line. After solving all this, you have to solve the number line. Solution set. What's the answer we got for solution set? Yes, Adya, what's the answer for solution set?
So can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
It said 3 and 4, sir.
3 and 4. That you have to plot on a number line. You know what is a number line? What number line is? Just a line, just a straight line with positive and negative numbers. Right hand side positive, left hand side negative. Just draw a number line, write 3 negative numbers, 3 positive. Now the answer for this is 3 and 4. What you do is you keep a point on 3 and 4. Okay, we just keep a point on 3 and 4. That is solution set.
Yes.
Then what else? Yeah, general equation. If you just remember
So
this,
that's not a number line, sir.
yeah.
That's the only thing we need to do.
No, there are 3 things are there. I'll explain that now. This is first thing. You have to keep dot. There are another 3 concepts on number lines. I'll tell you that. Before that, general equation. For simultaneous linear equation, remember I gave you a general equation. What's the general equation? For simultaneous linear equation, ax plus, do you remember that? Last year you had simultaneous linear equation. By plus c is equals to 0. This was the equation for simultaneous linear equation. In simultaneous linear equation, how many variables we had? We have to find the value of Two variables. Remember we had what was the three, this one, substitution method, cross multiplication. We used to use those method and find value of x and y, right? Like that. That is simultaneous linear equation. We'll have two variables. Linear inequation will have only one variable, and the general equation is ax plus b is less than c. Or not or, these are the four things: ax plus b less than equal to c, ax plus b greater than c, ax plus b greater than equal to c. Make a note of this equation. They might ask you for MCQ. Here a is number, a is constant, b is constant, c is also constant, x is the variable. Look, in all four equations, how many unknown variables are there? Only one, x. That is known as linear inequation. Look at the symbols. All these symbols are known as inequation. So linear inequation I explained, general equation is done. Let me see questions. Okay, and you should know how to write the values are there. For example, 5 is greater than x. Which side is the alphabet, right hand side or left hand side? Variable x on right hand side. Oh, voice is not audible. Are you online? Yes, Adya completed. Are you online? Unmute the call, Adya. You're on mute. Yes. See, 5 is greater than x. Yeah, network issues. X is on left hand side or right hand side? X is on the right hand side. How do you rewrite? This?
Right hand side.
Yes, x is on right hand. How do you rewrite this? Look at x. Which side is this arrow pointing? Greater than symbol is pointing towards which side? X. So when you rewrite this equation, this is how you get the answer. Can you see?
X less than 5.
Yes, less than 5. We are not changing the sign. Okay, we are not changing. 5 is greater than x or x is greater than 5. The meaning is same, right? Means the same.
Yes.
Oh, only the values are changed. Same like that. 5 is greater than equal to x. If you get the answer like this, for example, x 5 plus 3 is less than. How do you solve this equation?
So,
5
x
remain.
comes beside.
No. Don't change x. Wherever x is given, wherever x is placed, keep it as it is. First,
So 5 comes the other side.
no, Adya, no.
Minus.
Listen. 5, keep it as it is. X, keep it as it is. Right hand side. Plus 3 goes to the other side, becomes minus 3. First solve.
What I said, sir.
But I heard you telling me shift the 5 that side.
No, sir. I said 5 minus 3 is less than equal to x.
Okay, because of network issues, voice is breaking. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 is less than equal to x. How do you rewrite
on
this?
The other side, x is greater than
Equal to 2.
Sir.
Both are same. If you get it in this, you're not supposed to write like this. You're supposed to write like the last one. X is greater than or equal to 2. Understood?
Yes. Sir.
Okay, greater than equal to. You have to remember this. Then the other point is greater than equal to. Okay, in number line there are three topics. Like there are two ways to plot. One is for natural number, whole number, and integer. For all these things, there is one way to plot. That is, look here. Let me give an equation: minus one less than x less than 4, x belongs to x such that minus 1, this one, x belongs to natural number, x belongs to natural number. Okay, what's the answer for this, Adya? Look at this equation and tell me what's the answer. X lies between which two values? X lies between minus 1 is less than x.
X lies between minus 1 and 4, sir.
Minus 1 and 4, right? So minus 1 is less than x. What are the values you take? What are the values? Look here. First thing, there are two equations put together. Can you see minus 1 is less than x? One equation.
Sir.
What's the other equation?
X is
No,
less than 4.
less
sir.
than 4. X is less than 4. Two equation. They just merged it together.
So,
Now,
2 and 3, sir.
no, not 2 and 3. Not 2 and 3. Look here. Minus 1 is less than x. Okay, minus 1 is less than x. Now what we'll do is, x is on the right hand side. Shift it to the left hand side.
The X is greater than minus 1.
Okay, then what are the numbers I have to take? If x is greater than minus 1, which number I have to start with?
1, 2,
No. After
three,
minus
sir.
1,
It's a natural number.
natural number, correct. But after minus 1, what are the numbers there? 0 is also there?
Yes, sir.
0, then
Zero is
up
not
to,
a natural number, no, sir.
correct, 0 is not a natural number. But let me explain this. Later I'll teach you this. Your answer is correct, Adya. What you're answering is right. Let me first complete this. So x is greater than minus 1. What are the numbers there after minus 1? We have 0, 1, 2,
3, sir.
3. Correct? You have to consider these numbers, right? 0,
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Now look here. You understood how to split the equation and find the numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, two equations are merged. You split, find the equation. Now 0, 1, 2, 3. Natural number is given, but x belongs to natural number. Should I consider 0? No, right?
No, sir.
No. So what's the solution set? What's the final answer? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, and 3, sir.
In the same place, instead of n, assume they would have given w. W stands for whole number. Now is the answer correct?
Including 0 also.
You have to include 0.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So natural number, whole number concept is done. One question I'll give you on integer. X belongs to I or Z. They'll give you I alphabet or Z sometime. And the equation is x belongs to x is less than minus 1. Okay, tell me, look at this equation and tell me the answer, Adya. What are the numbers less than minus 1? What are the values will you consider? Less than minus 1 in the sense 0, then
0, 0, 1.
no. Less than minus 1. Less than, which side is this symbol moving towards?
Less 0. So,
No 0, Adya. Which side is this symbol moving? Left hand side or right hand side?
less
Minus 1. After minus 1, yes. Check all the left hand side. Go as per the symbol. Left hand side. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Right? So what is the answer? Minus 2, minus 3. Tell me.
So, it goes on, so there's no stop.
Yes, there is no ending. Minus 2, minus 3. Usually what do we do? If the number continues, what do we do? You keep dots.
Dots, sir.
Is this clear? Dots. And how do you place this on number line, Adya? Okay, how do you place? And for previous question also, I forgot to draw a number line. Wait, let me complete with the previous one. The previous one which I had given was natural number. X belongs to a natural number, and the equation was minus 1 x less than 4. What is the answer we got? What was the values? 1, 2, and 3. Right? We had 1, 2, and 3, right? Now, how do you plot this on number line? Start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Write all the values down. 0, 1, 2, 3. And even left side, just write 2 or 3 negative numbers for reference. 2 or 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now, what is the answer we have, Adya? What is the answer we got? 1, 2, and 3, right? So, we keep a dot on that. You keep a dot. This is how you plot it on number line. Make a note of this. If you want, you can write even a fourth value like this, 4. There are two ways of plotting. This is first method. You have to keep dots. Yes, what's the answer for this, Adya? Whole number, what was the values we got? For second one, it was 0.
0, 1,
No,
3, sir. 3, sir.
3. Okay, 3. How do you plot the same type? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just write 3 to 4 values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. The answer is 0, 1, 2, 3. So just keep dots, bold dots like this. And even in dot, there are two types. One is solid. We call it as solid. The one more one is hollow. What do you mean by hollow? Hollow is it will be empty. This is known as hollow, and this is known as solid. Solid dot, and what's the name they give? Okay, this is solid or darkened circle. It is full dark. I mean, dark in the sense fully colored, darkened circle. And the other one is hollow circle. Hollow is it have a hole. Example alphabet O, hollow circle. And the answer for this is you have to draw 4 darkened circle. 1, 3, up to from 0 to 3. From 0 to 3, and I'll tell you next class. I'll tell where this darkened and hollow circle is used. Usually, all these days we used to draw this dark circle, right? Full solid like this. We used to keep a point like this. There is another concept for hollow circle, or less than, greater than symbol. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, natural whole number. So I'll tell you how to plot it. Even for integer, it's the same thing. We'll have negative. Have to plot few negative numbers. Until when is your football training, Adya?
April 30th, sir.
April 30th, 10th. Okay, another 20 days, right? March, April. See, today only the first class is important, Adya. This one. Tomorrow I won't be able to take evening. I'll send you the recording.
Okay, sir.
Another 2-3 class. If you watch recording, that is
Sir,
enough.
whatever you explain, the equations are based on that only, no, sir?
Everything is, yes, everything is based on the equation. Whatever I've taught you now, I'll make you solve 2 or 3 questions. You'll get used to this. So it was theory part, so I told you to attend. So tomorrow evening I won't have time. If you watch recording, you'll understand. It's the same idea. Now last one is for negative numbers. For negative numbers, I gave a question. X is less than -1. What's the answer for x is less than -1? Less than -2, -3. It goes, yes, it goes on dot. So what you do? How we plot this number? We call this as infinite. Whenever we represent dot, we call infinite numbers. We represent this 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3. Last time it was just limited numbers. Now we have undefined, not undefined, infinite numbers. Last time it was just finite. This time it is infinite. So -2, -3, -4. What you do is on -2 you keep a dot idea. -2 and -3 will keep a dot. After that the number doesn't stop, right? It is continuous, right? So you keep the dots here. Whatever dots are there, those remaining dots you just place it. This indicates that the number is infinite.
Infinite, sir.
You have to just place the dot on top. Okay, that's it. All the theory part is completed. Now there is one more left for real numbers, where we have to use the hollow block, hollow circle. Shall we start solving the question? Any doubts till here?
No, sir.
Okay, all this theory part, just go through your textbook once, Adya. It's not required. If you want, you just go through that. Look at the first question. 2x minus 7 is less than 4. And x belongs to, they haven't told us whether it is natural number, integer, nothing. Instead of that, they have given us the limit. What is the limit they have said? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, they haven't given us what type of number are they. Instead of that, what set they have given? What set is this?
Solution set.
Not solution. Solution set is what we have to find. Whatever they give, we call it as replacement. Yes, replacement set. Replacement set is given. This is replacement set. Take this equation and solve. Can you explain this? 2x minus 7 will go to the other side, become plus 7. Does the sign change?
Plus 7, sir.
Does the sign change now?
No. Is addition.
Yes, it's addition and subtraction. Sign will not change. Then 2x is lesser than 11. Now x, what happens to 2?
So can you repeat?
X 2, what happens to 2?
So it is divided and equation does not change because there is no minus.
Yes, correct. Before 2, there is no minus. 2 is a positive value. The value remains same. What is 11 divided by 2? The answer is 5.5. No, 5.5.
No, 5.
Yes, 5.5. This is the answer, Adya. 5.5 is the answer. But what does x belong to? What is the solution set? What are the numbers less than 5.5? 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
4,
3, and 4, sir.
5?
5, sir.
What about 5?
5 also.
Yeah, even 5 is the answer. This is how you solve. Understood? Now, this solution
Yes,
set
sir.
you have to place it on number line. Simple solution set. Not x. X you shouldn't place on number line. Solution set you have to place on the number line. Read the first question. Read the main statement what they have given. Solve each of the inequation.
And represents its solution on a number line, sir.
Number line. Did we solve here? Left hand side we solved it.
Yes, sir.
Right hand side we got the solution set.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now we have to plot on number line. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we'll do is we'll take 0. For reference, we'll just give 1 or 2 negative numbers. -1, -2. Right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5. Then you have to keep dots. On top of that, you keep dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the final answer. 3 marks for this are there. 1 mark for solution set, 1 mark for solving, and 1 mark for number line. So they have asked us to solve the inequation. We solved it and represent the solution set on a number line. Once you solve, you have to find the solution set, represent that on the number line. Completed?
It's done, sir.
Okay, second question. Try the next one, Nadia. Try the second question. No, before solving the second one, look here. Before solving the second question, I think I raised 2x minus 7 is less than 4. How did you solve this equation? 4 plus 7, right? What if the equation was like this?
Sir, everything thing, sir, is the sign is on a different.
It's on the different number. Sign is same, correct. Less than 11. Now,
Now, x is equal to x is greater than 11 by -2. Sir.
okay, what's the final answer? X is greater than minus
Minus 7.5.
5.5. In solution set, what is the answer?
Everything, sir.
Not everything. Greater, yes, greater than minus 5.5 is given. But solution set is different because this one I changed the question, right? Solution set is different. Understood how the values change? Sign changes? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, your answer was right. That's it. Only this one I solved, and I had given 2 questions for homework. 2 questions.
Which one, sir?
Second and third. Okay, second and third for homework. Complete second and third one, Adya. You can do it for homework and send it.
Yes.
Only three things to find. One, you have to solve the equation, inequation. Second thing, you have to find solution set. And what's the third one? You have to plot it on number line.
And
Number line. Solve each of the following. Write the solution set, represent. Okay. This entire concept is based only on these three things. Entire chapter: solve inequation, solution set, number line. To solve the equation, know those rules. For division and multiplication of negative numbers, the sign will change. Okay, only one concept is left, that is representing real numbers using this one, OLO dot. I'll explain that in tomorrow's class, Adi. I'll send the recording. Go through regularly. You go through the recording. If I am free, I'll take evening. Mostly on Saturday. If not next Monday, I'll conduct one class in the evening.
yes, sir.
One.
So you can give me 2 minutes, sir.
So done, Adi. Almost done. Class is over. Are you online? Okay, the class is done, Adia. Complete these two questions for homework. Tomorrow I'll send you the recording.